Hi everyone and welcome to our virtual assembly for this week where we're going to celebrate some of the super work that's been going on at home. Before we go over to our teachers and hear who's done particularly well this week, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of the school staff for making sure that our virtual school has been such a success. We've made sure that lessons that have been going on at home have been as good quality as what they would have been if they were at school. So a big thank you to staff. A big thank you also to parents at home. We know it's really difficult for you, but thank you for doing your best. That's all we are asking, that you are doing your best. And then not forgetting the children. I've been amazed by some of the things that have been sent in this week and some of the work that's been taking place. So well done. And that's not only our English and maths lessons, that's our character curriculum, which I think is going really well. And if you're struggling some days with the English or maths, do some of the character curriculum tasks because there's some really fun ones there you can do as a family. But also we've started our topic and science or other lessons have taken place this week, and it's been great to see so many of you getting involved. So thank you to the parents that have been sending photographs in via Class Dojo. It's great for me to see those as well, but I know the class teachers have been accessing the work on Google Classroom and on Class Dojo too. But I've been so impressed by everyone's efforts, really have. So well done, thank you everyone. So like I say, it's been a brilliant first week back after our Easter break. So now it's time to hear who has really stood out as our stars of the week.
This week's Child of the Week from nursery has inspired me to get outside on my bike. So that person is Cassius. Well done. Cassius has been outside with his family every day to get some exercise, making sure he's keeping social distance, of course. And then he's let me know what he's been doing. So I'm really proud of Cassius. Keep it up, and you're an inspiration to us all. Well done.
Steady, go.
Go on, carry on.
My child of the week this week is Emmy and her family. You've all worked really hard this week doing some lovely activities at home, so well done.
My child of the week this week is Zara. I have chosen Zara because she gives 100% in all the tasks that we put on Dojo, and I've been so impressed. Well done, Zara, keep it up.
Hi Kai, I've chosen you this week to be our Child of the Week because of the remarkable attitude you've shown towards your virtual learning. The work you've been sending me is fantastic and your writing looks absolutely beautiful, so well done, keep it up.
My Child of the Week is Ava, and I've chosen Ava this week for her excellent home learning that she's been doing since coming back after the Easter holidays. I'm really proud, Ava, so please keep it up.
My Child of the Week this week is Simon. I have chosen you, Simon, because you really pushed your limits this week and discovered how remarkable you can be. I'm really amazed at how well you are doing, especially now things are all done virtually. But you have really applied yourself and you're now reaching the solving tasks in maths, which is really brilliant. So well done, Simon. Keep up the good work.
My Child of the Week this week is Ife. I have chosen you, Ife, because you're completing every single piece of work that I put on the Google Classroom and you are handing it in every day. You are doing it to the exact same ability that you would do at school, so well done, keep it up.
Hello, my Child of the Week this week is Salma. Salma, I've chosen you because I'm really impressed with all of the work you've produced on Google Classroom and Doodle Classroom. Keep up the brilliant work, well done.
Hello everybody, my Child of the Week this week is Mia Bayard. She's been absolutely remarkable with her online learning at home. She's always logging on to Times Table Rockstar. She's really trying to push her limits and discover what's possible. Well done, Mia, I'm really proud of you.
My remarkable Child of the Week this week is Temi. This is because he really respects his right to an education. He's accessed all of his work on Doodle and Google Classrooms this week. I am so pleased with your commitment to your learning, Temi. Keep up the good work.
Jack, you're my Child of the Week this week, well done. You've really hit the ground running with all of your online learning and your work has been truly remarkable. Well done, keep it up.
Hello everyone. Child of the Week for 4ST this week is Reese. He's worked really hard, completing lots and lots of work on Google Classroom, and having a go at Times Table Rockstars and Maths Doodle. So I'm really proud of how well he's working this week. It'd be super to see some more of you online, and I'm looking forward to when we get back all together. Well done, keep going, stay safe.
Hi, my child of the week this week is Summer. She is phenomenal. She has done every single task that has been asked of her, from the first task in the morning to the last task at night, and even some beyond. She is phenomenal in all her presentation, extremely hardworking, and is getting really good results as a result of her dedication and commitment to her home learning. I am incredibly proud. I feel like she's going to hit the ground running when she comes back to school. Just keep it up. Well done, and it was easy to select you this week. Thank you very much for your hard work, and enjoy your pool.
My child of the week this week is Cole. I'd like to say a big thank you to Cole for his contribution in live lessons, his participation, and his overall finding is remarkable, really, because I know that he hasn't found this situation easy, but he has completed every task that he's been asked to complete, and to a good standard. And I have to say thank you to his mum as well, who has given him so much support and given me so much support, really. So maybe this award goes to both of them. Thank you.
My child of the week this week is Aaliyah Ditter for her engagement with the character curriculum materials.
For my child of the week this week, I've chosen Dekiai, and I've chosen Dekiai because he always engages with the learning online, and he does it to a really high standard. And I really appreciate all the photographs that he's been sending in of the work that he's been doing indoors and outdoors. So keep up the excellent work, Dekiai.
Hi everyone, the child of the week for 6NN is Josh. Well done, Josh. You've been accessing all of the work online. You've been completing all of your home learning. And yesterday, for example, you couldn't do the science experiment because you didn't have an ingredient. So you did one from a kit you had for Christmas. So really, really pushing the boundaries and getting everything done, continuing your learning. Brilliant. Well done, Josh.
Wasn't that great hearing from all of our teachers just how well some of you have done this week? If it wasn't you this week, keep trying hard next week with our virtual learning, and it could be. We're always looking out for who our stars of the week are going to be, and keep up the great learning. If you need any help at home, message our teachers on Class Dojo or email us at school and we can get back to you to support you. But just keep up the great work, stay home, stay safe, and we'll hopefully see you back in school as soon as we can. We miss you lots. Take care.
I would like to reach out my hand, say you, tell you to run. Nobody see, nobody on. Well, pick me up with good in hand. Say you, tell you to run. Nobody see, nobody on. I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, you will. How we will crawl, we will. I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, you will. How we will crawl. Send me in my way. Send me in my way. Send me in my way. Send me on my way. Send me in my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way.